Dr. Anton Plotkin shows off technology he says could help quadriplegics stay mobile. The wheelchair is controlled by Anton's nostrils and lungs. As he breathes in and out, his motorised chair moves in any direction he chooses. The technology was developed at Israel's Weizmann Institute of Science. Using tubes similar to those designed to deliver oxygen to patients, the system measures changes in nasal pressure. That pressure generates electrical signals which are passed to a computer via a USB connection. With a simple sniff, patients can move the cursor and tell the computer what they want to do. Professor Noam Sobel is among the team of researchers behind the sniff-controlled wheelchair.
You can sniff in or out, or look at sniff onset or offset. And you have analog information, because you can sniff either with more vigor or with less vigor, or for longer or shorter duration. Now, give me digital and analog information, I can fly a plane, I can do anything. So from that, the path was short to building a device that uses sniffs to write texts, uses sniffs to drive a wheelchair, uses sniffs to do whatever you want.
The technology is also being used to help stroke patients and others with severe disabilities like locked-in syndrome to communicate. The breath-controlled device uses predictive text methods and has helped many paralysed people write and send email after years in communication limbo. Scientists say the technology could be a breath of fresh air for patients.
Key aspects of this whole story is that we found that the ability to control the device is very highly conserved in very severe disability. So people who are very severely injured, who are either locked in, quadriplegic, or really in a state where they can actually control nothing, can still control this device. So it provides an opening for potential interaction with the world, which is quite critical in these situations.
So far, the device has been tested on more than a dozen people at the Institute, but researchers want to make the technology more readily available so that more patients can have the opportunity to express themselves. Basma Fahim, Reuters.